Pleasure.
Thank you, señor.
Thank you.
Fiesta Americana Condesa. I take care of your luggage.
Okay.
With this ticket to front desk. We send the luggage to your room.
All right. Thank you.
Up and to the right.
All right, guys. This was going to be room tour for room number 834 at the Fiesta Americana Condesa Cancun. And of course, you know, we're here at the room. We got this nifty little bracelet. That's our door key there. Let's walk on in. And of course, as soon as you come in, to your right, you've got two large closets. You can see that we've already been here for a hot minute, and we've unpacked already. And you've got an ironing board, and you know, we needed a few more hangers, and they may give them to us. I don't know, but of course, on this side, you've got a little stand and a safe, you know, your standard 4 buttons, push button safe. And right here, you come on in. This is your complimentary mini bar with some Cokes and Diet Coke and water and a few beers in there. And I've already opened up the Sprite. Not my favorite, but anywho, you can see we got, and right here is the door to the adjoining room, but we're just making sure it's locked so they don't come in on us. But you'll see you got a pretty good sized TV, some drawers, put your clothes in or whatever. We got this little bench thing here. Of course, we got our junk on it. And then look at this right here. Now, wasn't it nice of them to complimentary little dessert tray? That's pretty cool. I just noticed right behind here is some USB plugs and what seems to be your Ethernet. I don't know what that's for, but it's probably
Lights.
Oh, we found the lights.
I was just darkening.
Oh, what about that? Cool. And of course, we do have a full-length mirror over there, but now this balcony we have is not much to look at as far as a balcony, but you know, you can always, if I can figure it out, open it up, get you a good old breeze coming in, and come out here and look. Oh, now it would have been a whole lot better to have been on the other side. The water is definitely prettier over there, but we still have a pretty nice view. So cool. Let's go on back in. And there's the beautiful Miss Alma. You know, of course, this room here has 2 double beds. Now, I'm sure you could get you a king bed. It's just a matter of cost, I'm sure, preference or whatever. I think if we got 2 double beds, in case she gets mad at me, I can sleep in my own bed. And of course, you know, you got a lamp there, and you got a lamp here, and you got a reading light, and another reading light. And of course, there's your phone. Now, you see there's that QR code. You scan that, pull up the menu for the 24-hour complimentary room service. See, pretty nice little room. It's definitely better than a cruise ship as far as size. And here's the bathroom. You can see you got your hair dryer and of course washcloths, you know, the usual stuff. And there's me. And right here, what do we have in here? El baño. There you go. The bathroom. Cool. A little frosted glass for a little bit of privacy. And then you got some shelves here. Plenty of room. And here's the shower. You got you some shampoo and shower gel and some hooks on the wall and that waterfall. Pretty neat, pretty neat, pretty neat. So, anywho, that's the short version of the room tour. Ain't much to it. It's just a matter of we're going to be hanging out here for 8 nights. And we are going to have a wonderful time. Ain't that right, baby?
That's right.
That's right. Anything you want to tell them?
We're tired. It's been a long day.
It has been a long day. No doubt about it. I mean, that, you know, we get up at 7 o'clock. We get ready. We drive an hour to the airport. We go through all that mess and get in there and sit around and get on the plane. And then fly all the way down here to Mexico. And we spent, what, 3 hours in the airport going through customs and getting our shuttle. And whew, so we're tired, we're hungry. I think we've already changed. We're going to go to the pool, find something to eat, find us a drinky drink, and we're going to just relax, and maybe we'll see you in a little while. If not, we'll definitely see you tomorrow, right?
Ours has 2 seats. Oh, no, there's no seat. What's going on? Say hi, girls. Lady, Michelle. Say hi, ladies. Say hi.
That's right. All right, guys. What happened? I mean, it's done got crazy up here in the doggone Fiesta Cancun. What is this place? The Fiesta Americana Condesa Cancun. It's crazy, I'm telling you. You know, we got, of course, the beautiful Miss Alma. We got that crazy guy over there.
Where's my shoe?
I don't know. Where's it at?
Yeah.
I've only got flip-flops on.
I actually brought it.
Oh, Lord. And then there's the beautiful...
I got my soccer
There you
shoe.
She said, absolutely. Maybe later, maybe later. But there's the beautiful
Hey, she said.
Amanda, the beautiful Sarah without the H, and there's our Bob, and then there's the Sarah with the H. There we go. And there's the wonderful Michelle. Woo! And we're just having a wonderful time. Woo!